Alright, so this week, these are our spelling words. We will be looking at controlled R, which is the AR sound. So we have the word farm, arm, yard, art, jar, bar, barn, bark, card, yarn. We have review words, try, dry, night, pie, and 2 challenge words, started and yawn. So go ahead and copy these words. I will leave this here. Don't forget to study nightly. The list will also be posted on Seesaw. It is your responsibility to look at the words in the evening time when school is over so that you can do your best. Don't forget to also look over here at your high frequency words and your decodable words. Okay, so they won't be on the spelling test, but they are words that we should be studying as well. Alright, now I'm going to post the Seesaw activity. The words will be on Seesaw as well, so if you did not finish copying them, you can pull up the list and look from there. So now you should be logging on to Seesaw to get to the activity.